Hi, Wes Scott from Kane and Scott. Today we're going to talk about why would a creditor object to discharging a debt in Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Um, the presumption is that debts get wiped out. So if you have an unsecured debt, it's a credit card, it's a medical bill, it's an unsecured loan, it gets discharged. Unless creditors object to you discharging that debt under Section 523 of the Code. Section 523 of the Code lays out a limited number of reasons why a creditor can object to you discharging a debt with them. And it can't be simply because I don't want you to. I mean, if that were the case, no debt would ever get discharged in bankruptcy, right? So there are a limited number of reasons. The most common reason is found under Section 523A4 of the Code. It's for fraud. If you, without the intent to repay the debt, incurred debt on a credit card prior to filing, creditors can object to you discharging that portion of the debt with them for fraud. And there are presumptive periods where if you've used the card for certain reasons in certain dollar amounts, it's just presumed to be fraudulent, and you've got the burden of showing it's not. And then there are those charges and purchases where the burden is on the creditor to prove fraud. The bottom line is your purchases are scrutinized prior to filing bankruptcy. And creditors can object to you discharging those debts if they feel like you've incurred the debt without the intent to repay it. When the time is right, when you are ready, reach out to Kane and Scott. You'll be so thankful you did.